In today's video, I will walk you through how to group a pivot table by month in Google Sheets. Start by selecting your entire data range, including the headers such as date, category, and amount. Next, click Insert and choose Pivot Table. When prompted, select New Sheet to create the pivot table. Once the pivot table appears, go to the pivot table editor on the right side. Under Rows, click Add and select Category. Then, under Values, click Add and choose Amount. The pivot table will automatically display the totals for each category. Now under Columns, click Add and select your Date field. To group the dates by month, right-click any date column header in the pivot table. Select Create Pivot Date Group, then choose Month. Google Sheets will automatically group the dates into monthly columns and update the pivot table. If you need to make changes later, you can return to the pivot table editor and adjust the fields. And that's how to group a pivot table by month in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.